All right, for you Subaru owners out there that are contemplating or have already installed an inline amplifier and your STARLINK is flashing red and your head unit's acting funny or you're getting weird emails from Subaru, here's a verified fix for the issue. And it's a relatively cheap and readily available fix too. So I put an Alpine KTP 445U inline amplifier in 2 days ago. And yes, there's plenty of room behind or underneath the head unit to mount it. It basically mounts up behind the head unit between the air conditioner unit. There's a little shelf in there. So that's great. But sound is wonderful. I've got kicker, 130 watt, 6x9s in the front. I got the 6.5s in the back. I put a pair of Cerwin Vega 3.5-inch coaxials in the front with a capacitor to keep them from destroying themselves. That was a 250 UF capacitor, by the way. Anywho, STARLINK light is red. I'd originally installed, and this was some information on some forum posts about using this load generating device. And this is supposed to fool the DCM into thinking, okay, I still have a speaker attached. Impedance wise, it's not going to work. This is 2.2K. The head unit or the DCM wants to see 2 to 6 ohms. That it's a speaker load attached. So forget this. It's not going to work. This is something that will work. You can get this at Walmart. This is for LED lights on a car. If they flash too fast, these resistors, if you notice, 12 volt at 6 ohms. Walmart has this in stock. I think it's like 14 bucks. But it's already pre-wired. It already comes with the quick connects. And it's rated at 12 volts. So you don't have to do any guesswork on impedance and DC to AC conversions and everything. Ready to go. So I pulled out the head unit, removed the audio control load generating device, and put those in, and the green light is back up and running just fine. The head unit turns off properly. It's not throwing any errors or codes, and best of all, didn't change the sound one bit on the Alpine amplifier. So this is a definitive fix. No guesswork required. You just wire the resistor between the positive and negative of the front right input to the amplifier and the left front positive and negative right between them with those resistors. And that will do it. Hopefully this helps you out. Thank you. Bye.